Hello and welcome. In this video of the Indus Valley Civilization, we have already finished our discussion about the whole facts. We have discussed the introduction, the whole facts we have discussed about the Indus Valley Civilization video. I hope that you are watching this video after completing the whole discussion of the Indus Valley Civilization. So whatever we have discussed the introduction of the Indus Valley, the major cities, the religion of the Indus Valley, the culture, the food habits, everything we have discussed about the Indus Valley civilization. And now it is the time to check the progress. So in this video we are going to understand about the few important questions which has appeared in different examinations, in the different central government service examination, and we will also discuss some of the questions of the UPSC IAS prelims questions and some of the questions of the mains examination also. So in this video you can check your progress, how much the question you are able to answer, and you will answer this question by yourself, and then we will also understand the answer, and we will discuss each of the questions in detailed manner, so that any type of doubts you are having, it can be cleared in this video. So this video session is going to be very interesting, so I hope that you will enjoy this session and you will answer this question by yourself. But don't see the books, because if you are seeing the books and after that you are answering the question, that means you are cheating yourself. So try to answer whatever you can memorize after watching the video and after reading the books and the notes. So whatever you can remember, try to be honest towards yourself and answer these questions. So first of all you will answer this question, and after that I will answer and discuss the questions answers. So here is on your screen, there is a first question. It is visible to you. Which of the following dockyard belong to the Indus Valley civilization? Now there are three options: Lothal, Tuticorin, Pumpuhar, Arikamedu. So try to answer. I hope that you have answered. You can pause the video and answer the questions. I hope that you have answered the question. So the Lothal is the first port city of Indus Valley civilization. It is called, at the time of the discussion of the video, I have also said that the Lothal is called the Manchester of the Indus Valley civilization. It was a major port in which maximum export and import was happening with this dockyard. So Lothal is the correct answer. Now look at the other options which are given. Tuticorin, it is a city. It is a city in Tamil Nadu. Pumpuhar, it is also a city in the Tamil Nadu. Arikemadu, it is a city in Pondicherry. So it has nothing to do with the Indus Valley civilization. These options are given just to make you confused. Now the options are very easy, because none of the cities belong to the Indus Valley civilization. Only the Lothal only belongs to the Indus Valley civilization. So the options has made this question very easy. Now it is also an archaeological site. The Arikamedu is also the archaeological site. It is located in the Pondicherry. Now another thing, by reading the names, even if you don't know the answer, then how can you answer it? These three options are related to the South India, because Indus Valley civilization was not extended in the South India, so you can easily find out the answer. So I hope that you have answered it. Now let's go to the next question. Here is question number 2. Which one of the following statements are true? Now answer this question by yourself, and after that I will answer it. So I hope that you have answered this question. Now let's study this question. Option A, the people from Indus Valley civilization worshipped peepal tree. Yes, it is a correct one. The forests, the trees were worshipped, the animals. In the Indus Valley civilization, the animals were worshipped, trees were worshipped, the mother nature was worshipped, and Pashupati Mahadeva was worshipped. So these are the four things which were worshipped in the Indus Valley civilization. Now it is a correct one. Option A is a correct one. Now let's check option B. People from Indus Valley civilization worship nature. Absolutely correct. People from Indus Valley civilization considered Shakti as the mother goddess. Yes, it is also correct. They worship fire. Yes, it is also correct. So all these four options are correct. Here A, B, C, D options are not written. So all the four options are correct one. So I hope that you have answered this already. So let's move to the next question. Now here is a question number 3. Which one of the following cities had port during the Indus Valley civilization? So it is a good question. So try to answer this question by yourself. Okay, I hope that you have answered this question. Now let's check each of the cities one by one. Sutagendor, yes, it was a port city. Balakot, yes, it was a port city. Kuntasi, it was also a port city. Actually, Kuntasi was located in the Gujarat. It was located in the Gujarat, and it was also a port city. It was a small port. It was not a famous port like the Lothal, but the Kuntasi was also a port city. It was located in Gujarat. Now A, B, C, all these are correct. So here you can mark it. D number would be the correct answer. So let's move to the next one. Now here is the next question. Try to answer this question by yourself, and after that I will answer. Okay, it is a very easy one. I have discussed this city so many times. Dholavira is located in which one of the following districts? The option is Fatehabad, Saurashtra, Khairpur, Kutch. So Dholavira is located in Gujarat. Its stadium has been found in the Dholavira. The ox, the horse and the ox cart, the terracotta figure of the ox cart is found in the Dholavira. Stadium has been found in the Dholavira. It was an important port city also. So it is found in the Run of Kutch. It is found in the Run of Kutch. So it is a very important one. These options, Fatehabad, wrong one. Saurashtra, Maharashtra, it is also wrong one. Khairpur is also a wrong one. So Kutch is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now the Kuntasi is in Indus Valley was known for. Now here is the option. You can point out. Recently we have discussed. Yes, recently I have said that it was a small port. It was not as famous as Lothal, but it was a small port. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Answer this question. This is question number 6. Mohenjo-daro was located in which state or province? Very easy question. We have discussed it so many times. Okay, I hope that you have answered this correctly. Now the Balochistan is a wrong one. It was not in the Balochistan. Gujarat is also a wrong one. It has gone in the Pakistan. So Sindh is the correct answer. Now Khyber Pakhtunwala, it is also it is a name of a tribe. It is not the name of a place. So it is also wrong one. It is called the Pashtun community in the Balochistan. So it is a wrong one. Sindh is the correct answer. Now it is located on the Indus River, located in Sindh. It is in the Pakistan right now. So I hope that we have answered it. It was a easy question. Everybody can answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now question number 7. Which one of the following Indus Valley sites are not located in Haryana? Okay, it is a standard question. Now answer this question. Let's see what you answer. Okay, I hope that you have tried your best. Now the options are Banawali, Bhargaon, Bhirana and Farmana. These are the options. Now the correct option is Bargaon. The Bargaon is the correct option. Now which is not located in Haryana? You have to find out. Now actually the trick is, what are the cities which are located in Haryana? Very easy trick. How to remember it? Haryana, Farmana, Bhirana. Ana is there in every of the cities. So Bhirana, Ana is there. Farmana, Ana is there. Ana is silent in this word also, and Haryana. So these are the two cities which are located in Haryana. Another one is the Banawali. It is also located in Haryana. Now Bhargaon, it is located in the UP, in the Saharanpur district of UP. Now excavation is not done, so we have not found anything until and unless the excavation starts in the Bhargaon district of UP, in the Bhargaon. So these are the trick to remember about the sites of Haryana. Ana is there, Farmana, Bhirana. These two are the cities in Haryana, and another one is the Banawali. So I hope that you will not forget this trick. I hope that you have answered it. Now let's move to the next question. Now here is the next question. Question number 8. Which one of the following Harappan sites are located in the foothills of Himalaya? We have discussed it at the time of the video, at the time of the discussion of the cities. I hope that you will be able to answer this. Now let's check what you answer. So I hope that you have answered this. On the foothills of the Haryana, you have to see this, on the foothills of the Haryana. As you already know that the Lothal is in Gujarat, it is not in the foothills of Haryana. The Mehergarh is in Balochistan, it is not in the foothills of Haryana, it is not in the foothills of Himalaya. Now the Larkana district is in Sindh, where the Mohenjo-daro is found. And the next one is the Manda, so it can be the option. Actually the Manda is the northernmost site of Indus Valley civilization. It is located in Jammu Kashmir. So it is located in the Jammu Kashmir. So it is our answer. Now let's move to the next question. Now let's discuss the question number 10. So the question number 10 is, which one of the following sites had a figure of a chariot tied to a pair of bullocks? Now answer this question. So I hope that you have answered this question. Now let's check the answers. The first is the Kaneriwala. No, it is not the correct answer. Hisar. No, it is also not. Kuntasi. No, it is also not the correct answer. Dholavira. Yes, I have said just now that in the Dholavira, the pair of bullocks, the terracotta figure of the bullock cart has been found. So I hope that you have already answered this question by taking the hint from me. You have already answered this question. So Dholavira would be the correct answer. Now let's see the options. The Kaneriwala, it is located in the Punjab of Pakistan. In the Punjab state of the Pakistan, the Kaneriwala is located. It has the equal distance from the Mohenjo-daro and the Harappa. So this city is as large as the Mohenjo-daro. So this Kaneriwala is in Punjab, it is located on the Ghaggar river. I also know that I have said that the Ghaggar river was the ancient name of the Saraswati river. Sorry, it is a present name of the ancient Saraswati river. Now it has been underground because of the earthquake happened, and the Saraswati river is invisible now. Now Hisar is a district in Haryana. Kuntasi, it is in Gujarat. So these are not, this is also incorrect, this is also incorrect, this is also incorrect. Dholavira is the correct option. So let's go to the next one. So the next is the 11 number question. So answer this question. So the question is, consider the following about the Indus Valley civilization. The seals of the Indus Valley are made of the steatite. The seals of the Indus Valley are in rectangular shape. So we have to find out the answer. So answer this question. First try to answer this question. Okay, so I hope that you have answered this question. We don't have too much time. We have to answer this. We have to start our discussion. So the answer is, so let's see the option. The seals of the Indus Valley civilization are made of steatite only. No, it is incorrect, because some of the seals are made of the terracotta, some of the seals are made of the gold and the copper also. So steatite is a earth soap. It is a soap like the stone. It is a soap like stone which is found in the earth. So steatite, it is not correct. Some of the seals are found as a gold. The silver was also used. So it is not a correct one. So let's see the second one. The seals of the Indus Valley are in rectangular in shape. No, it is not in the rectangular shape. It is in the square shape, 2 by 2. It is in the square shape. So seals are in the square shape. So this is also incorrect. So none. The D would be the correct answer. None of the statements follow. None of the statements are correct. So D would be the correct answer. I hope that you have understood the answer and the statements. Statements are clear to you, I hope. So let's move to the next question. So question number 12 is our next question. So try to answer this question by yourself, and after that I will tell you the answer. I hope that you have answered this question. Now the question is, which one of the following statement is true? So you have to find out the true statements. I hope that I am not giving the equal time, but you can pause the video and answer these questions. So let's read these questions one by one. There is enough evidence that Indus Valley civilization people indulged in a lot of war. It is incorrect one, because we have not found the weapons in the Indus Valley civilization. Weapons we have not found. Iron was unknown. Massacre, the skeletons which are indulged in the any type of massacre, we have not found it. Every skeleton is in perfect shape. Their hands, their heads are not cut off. So the war has not happened in the Indus Valley civilization. So this statement is an incorrect one. Now let's see the B number. A number is incorrect. Let's check the B number. The British did not utilize the remains of the excavations from Indus Valley civilization. No, they have utilized it. They have utilized, even the excavation happened, and the findings came out. So it is also incorrect one. C, the Indus Valley script has not been deciphered. Yes, it is correct one. So far as we have not been able to decipher the scripts, that means we have not understood the scripts so far. Molar crowns were unearthed in one of the excavations. Yes, it is also correct one. Actually a skeleton has been found. Now his teeth seem to be has happened the surgery. By seeing the teeth of a skeleton, we can calculate that a surgery has happened in his tooth. So it means that the proto-surgery, the proto-dentistry was also happened in the Indus Valley civilization. That means the people of Indus Valley civilization were also advanced in the medical science. In the medical science also, the Indus Valley civilization were very advanced. So it is a astonishing fact that proto-dentistry has also been discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. So it is a correct one. So C and D is the correct one. B and A is the incorrect. So let's check which option follows the C and D. Yes, both C and D are correct. The D one would be the correct answer. So I hope that you have understood this. The D one would be the correct answer. So let's move to our next question. So next question is this one, 13 number. Now answer this question. Okay, I hope that you have answered this. Now, which one of the following statements are true? So let's check. One, Mohenjo-daro was built at least 9 times. Yes, it is correct. I have also said at our discussion that 8 times it has been destroyed and built. The 9 times we have discovered it. Whatever we have discovered was the 9 times, and 8 layers of the civilization we have discovered in the Indus Valley civilization. So this option is the correct one. Now let's see the second one. Over 4,000 seals has been found at the sites. No, above 2,000 seals has been found. So it is an incorrect one. The artifacts do not play the high level of aesthetic value and the technique. No, it is also incorrect one. Mehergarh was a farming village. No, it is also incorrect one. So one will follow, the A only. It was not, it was an urban planned city. Mehergarh was also an urban planned city because the same structure is everywhere. So A will follow. Let's move to the next question.